my channel. If you're new around here, hello. My name's Michelle and I am a mum to 3 gorgeous children. I live in sunny Queensland, Australia with my husband Chris and our 3 beautiful kids. And here on my channel you'll see lots of cleaning, organising, cheeky cats, cheeky boy, and another cheeky cat there. Don't worry, this video I am wiping everything over and I am going to be cleaning and decorating our kitchen. If you would like to see how I decorate my home, then just keep on watching this video. If you haven't already joined my YouTube family, I would love for you to do so. And if you do enjoy this video, I would love for you to give it a big thumbs up. But I'm going to stop chattering on and let's get decorating. So first off, I am going to clear everything away on the benches and wipe everything over with the wood for good. I mentioned this in my last Christmas clean and decorate. I'm using the wood for good because it smells like marzipan, and marzipan's on Christmas cakes and it just really smells like Christmas to me. Unfortunately, I cannot find another spray to spray the kitchen with that smells like Christmas. We don't have Mrs. Myers here. I wish we did. We could order it here in Australia, but it would cost a fortune. And there's Miss Lola doing big stretches on our back door.
Elfie's calling, check my list twice. Most of y'all done. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season.
If you can hear birds in the background of my voiceover, it's because I'm sitting on my veranda. Chris did night shift this week and I don't want to wake him up, and I kind of get a bit embarrassed doing voiceovers when he's at home. I do have my office and I could shut the door, but I still feel like he can still hear me. So I'm out on the veranda, the opposite end of the house, so I can do this voiceover. And now I'm just going to pop on A Night's Christmas, which is on Netflix, and I'm going to make myself a delicious hot chocolate as well, so while I'm cleaning I get to watch a good Christmas movie and have a really lovely yummy chocolate drink.
Don't believe this. Y'all need Jesus. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Saint Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. They said Saint Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. They said Saint Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. They said Saint Nick, what you got up in that bag. I got racks in my sack or in my bag. Merry Christmas, everybody. On this cold December day, we are on our merry way, riding along, just singing a song, barreling through the snow. Bells are jingling, snowflakes tingling, Rudolph knows where to go. On this cold December day, I am piloting my sleigh. The work to be done on my Christmas run is the most tired chore. No girl or boy without a toy, so giddy up, Rudolph, my dear.
And can I just point out, I am so embarrassed by how messy my hair is. I actually had stitches in my head this week and I've washed my hair and I'm still a little bit wary of brushing it because the stitches only came out 2 days ago, so my hair is looking a bit worse for wear. I should have popped it up in a bun or something like that. So I am aware that my hair looks like a complete and utter bird's nest, but I'm just keeping it real for you.
this cold December day. On this cold December day.
So because my cocoa bar is super busy, I try to keep everything really simple on my shelves. No doubt though, when I finish decorating the rest of the house, I might come across other things that I want to pop up out here. And I also think I might change that little sign that I just popped up before because it looks a little bit too small, and pop that one in my powder room. I am going to TK Maxx next week, so I'll see if I can find a bit bigger sign. I do have another sign, but I think I want that in my entry, which you'll see in an upcoming cleaning video. I'm also just going to hang a really simple wreath on this back door, and Duke is here trying to assist me. I think he's actually trying to escape out the door, and I was going to might add berries to this, I'm not too sure, but I do like the simplicity of it. And then I end up turning off the lights in the kitchen and making it a little bit more cozy. I hate bright lights during the night. I don't like really big overhead lights. I like lots of warm lights, and you'll find that some of my Christmas fairy lights that I chose, I didn't realize that they're cool lights, so I certainly will be changing them out too and letting the kids pop their cool lights on their Christmas tree.
Let's go to the ocean, yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in.
So I definitely will be popping a lot more decorations in here. I found that it looked quite bare in here. So once I finish decorating the rest of the house, no doubt I'll have a few things left over. And I certainly will be changing that sign out. When I go to TK Maxx, I'll see if I can find another sign for there. But just little simple things that I want to pop up. I don't want too much up, but just enough to make it feel a little bit more Christmassy. And if you are new here, this is my sink that I have a love-hate relationship for. It's exactly the same sink that I had when I was a little girl, so I was a little bit nostalgic about it. So I said to Chris, yep, let's pop it in. But I really, really, really want a farmhouse sink. And if I got one for Christmas, I'd be one happy lady, but I don't think that will be happening. We've got so many renos that we have on the go at the moment. We will have our ensuite reveal soon, and our biggest renovation yet is going to be happening. So if you like renos, oh my goodness, there's a bird flying over making a lot of noise. But if you like renos and home room makeovers, then I would love for you to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out. And if you would like to find out more about my build, then definitely head on over to my Instagram as well, because you will find out more about our build.
Here we go. All right. Now this Christmas, we're gonna dance.
We're gonna dance, dance, dance,
Come on.
dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
I'm out of place in a sea full of smiles, walking down Main Street tonight. Got a lot on my mind since you walked out and said, Merry Christmas, babe, give me some time. Holidays are coming and there's no way around. Better join in the holiday crowd. While I'm struggling to find some peace of mind. Merry Christmas, babe, hope you're alright. When you're not here to walk with me, it all seems like a waste. So tell me tonight, won't you come home? These are the days you shouldn't be alone. And if tonight you've got no plans, bring the miracle back home around. 'Cause I need it in this part of town. 6:15 and you're still on my mind, while an old man sings Oh Holy Night. Yeah, the streets might be full, but I'm empty inside. Merry Christmas, baby, wish you were mine. When you're not here to walk with me, which makes it all seem great. So tell me tonight, won't you come home? These are the days you shouldn't be alone. And if tonight you've got no plans, bring the miracle back home around. 'Cause I need it in this part of town. I don't need anything, yes, I got everything. I should be doing just fine, but there is still something. It is that one thing still missing you. So tell me tonight, won't you come home? These are the days you shouldn't be alone. And if tonight you've got no plans, bring the miracle back home around. 'Cause I need it in this part of town. Yeah, I need it in this part of town.
watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you all the Christmassy feels. And please, if you do like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. And if you also haven't subscribed to my channel, I would love for you to do so. My channel has lots of cleaning, organisation and home decor on it. So if that is the type of thing that you do like to watch, then I would love for you to join my YouTube family. And I will see you in my next Christmas Clean and Decorate. Bye, guys.
You're on top of my list.